Hi guys, today we'll be introducing colorful text on Kommander. Find it under Add, or in 7.0, find it under Tools. Right-click to do the settings. Do the basic adjustments. You can set the spacing between letters. It has 4 color options: transparent, color, gradient, and pattern textures. For gradient, double-click to select colors and the rotation angle. You can apply frame and add shadows. Additionally, it offers over 20 effects for transitions, such as cut in, fade, bounce, and zoom. It supports displaying only one line of text at a time. Let's see another situation. When the text is long, it will automatically split into multiple lines and rotate line by line, so it's necessary to input the display area dimensions in advance. For pattern textures, besides built-in textures, you can also import image materials to customize. Set the switching speed and the duration. Compared to regular subtitles, colorful text is more suitable for storefront screens and welcome board. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.